Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. Dear viewers, today I am back with another beautiful collection about Christmas centerpieces. All the collection are very unique, beautiful and helpful for your home decoration. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful and you will love this video. Keep support me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos. Subscribe my channel also and don't forget to press bell icon for more beautiful updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.